Remember the 15.7 billion rands that we recently received from the World Bank? Well, we received the money because we are no longer under junk status. Remember, under Jacob Zuma, we couldn't even get any loans because we are under junk status, and then we went to gray status, and now we are on something different. We are on BB. Unlike Jacob Zuma's time, we were on BB minus. And you might be wondering, ama B1 manje? So BB and BB minus are non-investment grade credit ratings that indicate a higher risk of default, but the borrower still has some capacity to meet financial obligations. A BB rating signifies that a borrower is less vulnerable in the near term but faces major ongoing uncertainties. A BB minus rating is a step lower than BB, representing a slightly higher risk and greater vulnerability to economic changes. BB rating, meaning the borrower is less vulnerable in a short term but faces major ongoing uncertainties from adverse business, financial, and economic conditions. Risk level, non-investment grade or junk status, which signifies a speculative level of credit risk. Comparison, equivalent to Moody's Ba2 rating. So basically what they mean is we are still under junk status, mara bayasincengisa. Now, I would celebrate if these loans were not coming with terms and conditions, because it's not really about the finances or the economic jargon that I explained. It's really about power, right? They are borrowing us money to have power over us, to maybe do them favors in the future or currently do favors for them. And with the West, yeah, we can borrow money from them, but borrowing from them is like ukuboleka from umashonisa. So like, it's money, but hey, you must have some kneecap insurance now when you borrow from the West. So hey man, it's never really a good thing to borrow from the West. At least maybe China, because allies, friends, yeah, something like that. But hey, the US, hey, these loans, we don't know what they are coming with.